आज जाके जो जहाँ पर मैं हूँ सिर्फ आर्मी एचपीएल सुपर 30 एज वेल एज न्यूज़ की वजह से।
This event has been organized to honor HPCL, NIDO, Kilo Force, the students who have participated in this Super 30 program for last about 3 years, their parents for an excellent performance, due to which they have been picked up to be the #1 CSR project out of 300 companies across the country. As I said earlier, I have extended my thanks on behalf of Indian Army to HPCL and NIDO for providing us an opportunity to take care of some underprivileged youth of Jammu and Kashmir to get a fair chance to be able to compete for an extremely tough NEET examination.
बहुत अच्छा महसूस कर रहा हूँ क्योंकि यहाँ पर मैंने जब एग्ज़ाम दिया तो मुझ में अलग सी ये ताकत आई कि मैं आर्मी एचपीएल सुपर 30 श्रीनगर ज्वाइन कर रहा हूँ और जहाँ की पिछले साल भी बहुत सारे सिलेक्शन हो चुके हैं। तो मैंने जब एग्ज़ाम दिया वो क्वालिफाई किया, फिर मैंने जो इंटरव्यू दिया उसमें भी क्वालिफाई किया, फिर मैं यहाँ आया तो मैंने देखा यहाँ पर जो बच्चों में जो पढ़ने की जद्दोजहद थी वो चल रही थी। थोड़ा सा मैं लेट आया था लेकिन अब भी मैंने बहुत कोशिश की और आज जाके जो जहाँ पर मैं हूँ सिर्फ आर्मी एचपीएल सुपर 30 एज वेल एज न्यूज़ की वजह से।
It is matter of great honor for all of us that the first 2 batches of 68 total students, 100% of them have been placed and are attending various courses across the country. I must tell you all that the 3rd batch, in spite of pandemic, has persevered and has been able to finish its course. And as per the confidence shown by the students, I am quite sanguine that the maximum of them are going to come up at a very, very higher merit list.
तो सर जो ये 11th मंथ की फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट कोचिंग होती है सर, ये उन बच्चों को नहीं रखी गई है जो सर मतलब कि फाइनेंशियल इतने वेल सेटल नहीं है, ताकि उनके घर वाले उनको कोचिंग अफोर्ड कर सकें और वो आगे बढ़ें।
If on the first batch we had only 1400 applicants and the process started with 1400, the second batch had again 1400 plus, but the 3rd batch has had about 4000, and the 4th batch for which the progress is on, the numbers have significantly increased, which reflects the confidence in the program. And yeah, of course, there is a change in mindset. As I keep on telling that the youth people have also realized that they are being taken up the gum path, the gum tree on the wrong path by the people within their own community. And as I keep on urging that this is a fight against the anti-national, anti-social elements which has to be taken by the people themselves. We need to ensure that the children come out, compete fairly, they study, educate themselves, become responsible citizens of the country. They take the respect of in the society. They fulfill the dreams of their own parents. No father or mother wants his child to go onto the street and pelt stone. But there are vicious elements which motivate them through various means and take them out onto the streets.
Students Help Desk Srinagar, the largest education consultancy in India and abroad, and the #1 company in whole North India, providing admissions in MBBS, engineering, aviation, all paramedical courses and non-paramedical. Also providing scholarships to students in SAC and other courses in India as well as in abroad. So to give your career a boost, feel free to visit our office and discuss your best career opportunities with our MD, Engineer Ishfaq Majid. For instant assistance, feel free to call us on 97977 81428. Students Help Desk, opposite Bukhara Restaurant, Paripura, Srinagar.